Hi guys. School finished and I'm in summer break and I've not been posting a lot of videos and I'm deciding to unbox a new game that I got from Amazon. Okay. So now I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, here it is.
What you get?
Exploding minions. So you see, so like it's a holographic feature. There's like one side and another side. You can see, and I'm going to unbox the game. It's taking me a while.
You need help?
Sure. Okay. So here it is out of the plastic. Here it is out of the plastic. Okay. There the cards are.
And what about it again?
It's supposed to be like Russian roulette, but not with the gun. But it's supposed to be like a easy, fun card game.
Yeah.
Okay, I can get that. Okay. So these are the rules. 72 cards. So there are 72 cards in here. It looks like this is like a card holder.
I think it's nothing is more inside.
Yep, nothing's inside except these stuff. Ooh, the rules are like in a like this. Okay. Oh wait, I've seen paper rules like this before, but it's really cool. These types of, and it expands into a. If you want to like get it, and here are the rules. Okay, here's the other side. It says, hey, don't read these rules. Reading is the worst way to learn how to play a game. Instead, go online and watch our instructional video. Okay. So it teaches us how to set up, taking your turns. And like, it gives us examples. It shows us how to end the game.
Yeah.
So let's close this up.
Let's see the cards.
Yeah, let's see the cards. Okay, so this is the cards I don't want to get. The exploding minion.
Why?
Because if you don't have anything to stop the exploding minion, you're out of the game. Like,
And how you play the game?
so I've played like the harder version of this game with my friends last night, and it was really easy. I'll just teach you how to play. And some cards are easier to learn than others. Okay, so okay. gonna tidy this up. I think I might need this for like a card here. But I really like the holographic feature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like if yeah, there it is, the holographic feature. Okay. So.
Okay. Want to play?
Yeah, we'll be playing it around.
No, you can show how to play.
Okay. So let's see how many exploding minions there are. There's 3 versions. Oh, 4. 4 exploding minions. Okay, one of them's like this. This is the other one. This is the other one.
And what is the difference?
There's no difference. It's just like different art.
Okay.
And
If we get one, load.
so these are, if you pull one, these are when they come into play. The diffuses. Okay. So the fuses, even though it says it says show this card immediately, and if you don't have a diffuse or something that could stop it, you're out of the game. So here are all the diffuses.
This is a good card.
Yeah, this is a good card to stop the exploding minion. Okay, so now onto the attacks. Okay, so the attacks. So like if you play in an attack, you have to. The next person in like their turn, they have to pull 2 cards, or there's a different card that could make. There's 2 type. There's a card that I know that can make this stop, but if they don't have that type of card, they have to pull 2 cards. Okay. Onto these skips. Okay.
Polo, you want to play?
Okay, so skip is like when you skip your turn. So if you feel like you have a feeling that you're gonna get one of the exploding minions, and if you have a skip, you could just play and skip your turn on to the next person. Okay.
Next one.
The next one is draw from the. This one's pretty easy to do. It's just it says draw from the bottom. That's what you literally do. Draw from the bottom of the card pile. Here's the different arts of draw from the bottom. Okay, now time on to the clones.
What does this mean?
So it reads when you play this card, it becomes whatever card is beneath it. So like if you pull a clone, so if you like pull a clone, I'm pretty sure like whatever was beneath the clone you check, and it becomes that card. So that's what the clone is for.
Okay.
Shuffle. Ooh, it's pretty easy to learn. Shuffle is when you just shuffle the pile. And here are the different arts. Okay. Now on to see the future. Okay. So see the future is when you like view the top 3 cards of the pile, and then you have to draw the top card, but you have to leave them in the second and third card. You have to leave them in the exact order. Okay. These are the cards I talked about earlier for the attacks. So the nopes, just like if someone calls an attack on you, you can just nope them. You can just play a nope, and you don't have to do that. Okay, now on time. Okay, these are the bobs. Okay, the bob description says this is a minion character card, and is powerless on its own. Play 2 bob cards as a pair and to steal a random card from another player. Okay, the arts are just the same. Now time on to Stewart. Okay, Stewart. It says this is a mini character card and is powerless on its own. Play 2 Stewart's cards as a pair to steal a random card from another player. Okay, now let's check out Kevin and Otto.
Video.
Yes. So those are the skips. Okay. This is so like those have the exact same things, to steal a random card from another player when they're played together. So now these are all the different types of cards that you could play, or you could play or draw from the draw pile. And now I'm gonna collect these and start shuffling them up. Okay, bye guys. I hope me and my mom are going to play a game, and bye guys. I hope you liked this unboxing video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.